Visit ticketcompare.com. Compare prices, buy tickets, get to the game. Ticketcompare.com. Buying tickets made simple.
And also yesterday, Jose Mourinho talked about clowns play acting on the sideline, and many people suggested that he was talking about you and Klopp. What did you make of Mourinho's comments yesterday?
I think that he has to see himself in the past. Maybe he was speaking about himself in the past. Yeah. Maybe sometimes I think that someone forget what said in the past or what which is his behavior. You understand? And sometimes I think that there is I don't know the name, but dementia senile, when you are a bit come si dice demenza senile? It's very difficult, no? Mm-hmm. Yeah. When you
I don't think
forget what do you do in the past? You understand? This yeah. Okay.
There isn't an English word for that, but we'll just do one more.